Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're gonna see how to install CSF and configure on Oracle Linux 8.8. CSF stands for ConfigServer Security and Firewall. It provides a range of security features including login integration and fraud detection. The platform also offers UA integration for cPanel, DirectAdmin and Webmin. First I am going to check the OS version. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next I am going to install the supportive package by using the below command. Give yes. Supportive packages are installed. Next I am going to change directory to /usr/src by using the below command. Next I am going to download the CSF package by using the below command. CSF package is installed. Next I am going to extract the package by using the below command. Next I am going to enter the CSF directory by using the below command. Next I am going to run the installation script by using the below command. Next I am going to check that all dependencies are installed by using the below command. Next I am going to stop the firewall by using the below command. Next I am going to disable the firewall by using the below command. Next I am going to edit the configuration file and change test equal to 1 to test equal to 0 by using the below command. Next I am going to restart ILFD and CSF service by using the below command. Next, I am going to enable the service by using the below command. Next, I am going to check the status by using the below command. It is active. Next, I am going to check the CSF version by using the below command. The CSF version is 14.15. Next, I am going to check the list of CSF rule by using a below command. This is the process to install and configure the CSF in Oracle Linux 8.8.
If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.